Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai, practically any Hyundai guys. It could be Hyundai Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Sonata, Accent, Veloster, doesn't matter what it is. If you have a Hyundai, engine light on and any of the following three codes such as code P0125, P0126 or code P0128, stay with us and we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. If you don't do one thing right, you can severely overheat your engine, damage it to the point you may need new engine, so stay with us until the end and we will explain what that is. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai that we're demonstrating here on. Let's explain now what most likely can cause that, any of those codes. We have the engine air filter box removed, we got the intake hose loose as well, so we can show you guys. But right here guys, okay, usually on the side of the engine, on the driver's side, on the right side of the engine, facing the engine, right here you will have a thermostat housing and you have a thermostat, okay, right here you have your thermostat guys. This is your thermostat. Now that the purpose of that thermostat guys is to regulate the coolant temperature and how hot the engine is running, so it can keep it at an optimum level. Let's say this one is designed at 82 degrees, I think 82 degrees Celsius, so it's going to keep it at that temperature and the engine will be really efficient, economical, so that's a win-win situation. But when those things fail, they can fail stuck open, stuck close, you can get any of these codes. Stuck open is not so dangerous, it's still dangerous and you'll get the codes, but stuck close you can severely overheat your car. So most likely guys, 90% of the time you have a bad thermostat, and we have a video that explains how to test thermostat on a car guys, so check it out, and the symptoms of bad thermostat. Now something else, what else can cause that? Before we continue, let me explain guys. This is the computer that we use for diagnostics. We constantly get comments in the comment section below about which computer we use and we recommend. We will put the link to that computer in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing too. You can see Hyundai is right here. What's cool about that computer, you can access every computer in your Hyundai, and on that 2013 model we have 17 computers. Imagine the new ones, how many they have. They have way more than that guys. Also you can read, delete codes and see live data from every computer in your car, which makes it super powerful too. With that being said guys, 90% of the time bad thermostat. What else can cause that? Always guys, inspect, make sure you have good coolant level, make sure the car was followed the bleeding cooling to bleed the coolant procedure, otherwise you can get these codes. And also you may have a bad coolant temperature sensor that's sending the wrong information to the engine computer, and we have a video that explains how to test coolant temperature sensor, so please check it out. Now when replacing the thermostat you need to follow certain procedure about bleeding the cooling system, and if you want to see how to actually replace thermostat and what you need to do, we have the video on Hyundai Sonata, so please check it out. It's going to explain the basics and what you need to do. You need to bleed the cooling system after you replace it and add coolant, because if you don't, you will develop an air pocket which can lead to overheating your engine and you will need to spend serious money fixing it or replacing it guys. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having any of these codes. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.